Now we're going to tackle a new one. Life challenges. Life challenges come in all different forms and shapes. I do have a music video about life challenges. Watch it, enjoy it, and I'll help you. It's called Life Challenges, okay? It'll be down in the show notes under music productions, okay? And it'll say demo, but it's a full version of the song, okay? Just watch it, okay? It'll help you with your life challenges. Meditate with it. And when you play it so many times, you say, wow, this sounds really good. If it's good, thumbs up. And subscribe to that channel. I do appreciate it. That's my music channel for all the music. Okay? Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. I send you the light of healing and the light of dealing with your life challenges. Okay? Great. Now, on with your life challenges. Let's pluck out any feeling of dealing with life challenges. We all face these every day, you know, whether it's for work, whether it's starting your life or dealing with your life. We have to deal with these different life challenges every day. Plucking it out. Any cords that's stopping you to progress in your life challenges. You know, wherever you embark and whatever you endure in your life, we are taking care of that right now. Plucking out that feeling that's keeping you back, releasing whatever it is. Now, we have the energy healing sprays, the rose quartz, the lavender, the jasmine, the sage, the cedarwood, the sandalwood, the frankincense, and the rose as well. Those are the ones I can remember on top of my head. There's many more. There's about 9 of them. So I want you to feel it. First, smell. You smell it? Feel it? You feel it? And hear it. Let that ease you. Keeps you stress-free, anxiety-free. Keeps you feeling good inside. Now, to cool down, overworked, feeling, that life challenges have not been met yet. Here's some cool mist to help you feel that way. Cool mist on a hot day like today. It's very hot, over 90. Wow, well, hey, but we have to endure that because that's part of life challenges. Every day is a life challenge, and that's what I made that song for, because I knew that would be helpful to some like you, anyone that deals with life challenges every day, and we want to heal from those challenges every day. You want to feel good about yourself. Oops. Sometimes things fall. I want you to feel good about yourself. I want you to endure new things in your life challenges. We can overcome those life challenges with my help. As a Reiki Master, I'm here to help you overcome life challenges, daily life situations, whatever it is that's holding you back and not move forward. You want to move forward in life. You don't want to stay back. You want to go forward in life. You move forward. You want to look good, look great, well-groomed, hair, face, mouth, everything great. You want to look healthy. You don't want no bags under your eyes. You want to feel great about your life. You take care of your body. You might work out. You might eat right. Those are all like challenges. And we're going to take care of that right now. So whatever is pressing you, we're going to heal from it. I send you the light to deal with life challenges right now. Every time you watch a session and hear those words, I send you the light to heal from life challenges. I want you to take a deep breath. Sometimes life challenges can be overwhelming. And you'll say, I can't deal with this. But you can. I'm here. I'm your friend and Reiki Master. I'm here to help you deal with these challenges in life so you don't have to be on your own. You can deal it and face it together with me right now. Feel that healing and feel that might and heal with what I have to offer you. And we work together as a team to help each other feel good and feel at ease. You want to feel good? You want to feel at ease? You want to feel good? You want to feel at ease? Now, just relax yourself. Don't let tension bother you. Let's focus on this. You will endure and you will survive life challenges. You will prosper and you will gain the insight of your life. What awaits you in the beginning and what have you left behind? Because the past is the past and you have to move on for it. I've done a couple of these lives before, but we haven't done life challenges before. That's new. And I want you to endure something like this. And you can fight it. And you can move on. Don't let challenges keep you back. Move forward with your life challenges. Let it absorb that and expel it out. Absorb those challenges. Complete those challenges. And you can move on to the next level. The next level of your life. There's different levels of life cycle. You heard of that term, right? That spins, and each day you do different things in your life. You endure different things. And here's a life challenge for you, something that's keeping you back. Whatever it is, focus on that. Hold it mentally in your mind, and we can work together and get rid of that challenge. Challenges that keep you from enduring yourself. Citrine, crystal, help you. Or citrine. It's citrine. That's what this is. Help you overcome those life challenges that you have to deal with every day. You want to feel at ease with yourself. Okay? Don't forget to click on that song down below for life challenges. It will help you. I wrote it, I released it yesterday, I believe. Yeah. I made it Monday. I know. Happy October to all of you. Normally we have a little ritual together. It came up pretty quickly. But listen, these sessions, they don't get old. They're there, all right? Okay. We have a lot coming up now. Like these. Today, you'll see. I'll release them as I'm making as much as I can, but they're good quality and they're there to help you. Okay? These are a little different than we normally do, but like life challenges is another one that's new, and a couple others. I want you to feel different, you know? Sure, we can take out things that stop you in life, but sometimes we can talk about peaceful things like these sessions today, these first set, to feel that strength and healing in Reiki. Okay? Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you know when new ones come out. Thank all you subs who support me and my efforts. Thank you very much. And members, thank you for your monthly subscribe. So membership that helps me monthly. Thank you all. Thank you very much. And if you want to join, hit that join button. And you too can become in the Reiki. It's Reiki with Albert Club. You be in the club. Okay. All right. Okay. Hey, thank you again for watching these sessions today. There might be more today or tomorrow, but don't worry. Sessions are coming. You'll have them. Okay. Thank you for your patience. Bye for now. Peace to you all. I send you the light of healing your life challenges. Bye for now. Shante. Peace. Bye-bye.